Yeah, so anyone's welcome. Come enjoy Log Slam and swim in the infinity pool.
I'm here at the Mud Monkeys. Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm here at the Mud Monkeys and I'm enjoying great view, great food, amazing guys. When you come here, meron talaga silang infinity pool with a twist, super cool, chill place that you can, meron din sila, basta ang dami mga couch, super comfortable here. And look at them, they're enjoying the food. Hi, thecebuano.com. Wala dyan ko kalimot ni mo, thecebuano.com. Si Myong! Oh, grabe si Myong. Si JC!
He's so good. Ano sa Koreano niyang crush?
Ala, matay. Kasi na Koreano din rin crush.
Kinsa pa man din, kinakadungos sa camera.
Aray.
Basically, we started about 7 years ago. The first Mad Monkey was in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and started by 3 English guys, and we kind of expanded throughout the last 7 years. Moved on to Thailand and then the Philippines. We got to the Philippines 3 years ago and opened up Mad Monkey Hostel Boracay. And then last year we opened up Mad Monkey Nakpen Beach in El Nido, and that was our second one. And we just got Mad Monkey Cebu open just a week ago. So this is our 3rd hostel in the Philippines, and we'll have Sargao coming next in February. So we're just looking to just expand Mad Monkey Hostel and the experience throughout the Philippines and the rest of Southeast Asia. Yeah, so anyone's welcome. Come enjoy Log Slam and swim in the infinity pool. 29 rooms.
The maximum capacity is?
Right now the maximum capacity will be 99, but we do plan to expand for another 40 packs. So we're still making more rooms right now and renovating our 4th floor out. And once complete, we'll be up to 140 packs.
Is your pricing gonna change during the Sinulog season?
Of course. Yeah, we'll expect a big Sinulog party.
Because we'll be announcing 500, but it might change for...
Yeah, the 500 is just initial rate, yeah. Sinulog, we're planning to have a massive party here. Obviously, our location is perfect for it, so we'll be doing a whole street setup, a whole street bar setup, and then of course, promos and free drinks all day or all weekend throughout the bar. So expect a big Sinulog party here.
Oh yeah, talk about...
Right now, we have our 8-bed dorms, all pod capsules with room sinks as well as in-suite bathrooms for 500 peso. And of course, every night in the bar we have events, free shots starting at 7 p.m. every night, all the way to close to midnight. And then every night we have a different game or event, whether it's beer pong tournaments, pub quizzes. We'll be sorting out pub crawls soon as well. So every night there's something to do and something to get involved in at Mad Monkey.
So let me clarify, free shots every hour,
Free shots every hour,
so
every night.
What shots are those?
Surprise, man. They always change.
Shibugan time, so nagwa pa lagi ko diri nga angle, no? Lami? Share sa imong ganahan sa mga food. Kalami Cebu.
Papakong nakakaon kayo.
Papakon.
Gutom mo kayo, may. Nagunsa na lang.
Pahit ta,